So this is a big moment. I'm about to test the new beard soap. Like I said in my Instagram story yesterday, I'm going to test for scent, for lather, and how it feels when it's actually on my beard, and also when it feels once I dry it out and it's just left to dry, and if it's wiry or kind of tough. I don't want that. I want it kind of still nice and soft and hydrated. So here it is. I'm going to jump into the shower. First of all, the scent smells really, really good. Look, I've been smelling it. I haven't tested or used it yet, but I have been smelling it over the last couple of weeks. I'm very, very happy with it. You know, you can smell the really good quality ingredients, and that's an important thing for me. Okay, let's do it. I have the shower on. It's lukewarm, so I don't steam up the place, and I don't kind of put fog on the camera. So let's go for it. Here it is. Can't wait to try it. Let's go. So right, I'm wetting it. Now we're looking for lather straight away. I'll face you. So we're looking for lather. Oh yes. That's a good sign. So the block is a little bit kind of square, so there are edges lathering up nicely, thankfully, because that is a concern for me. I do like to have a nice lather on a soap when I am using one. So I'll wet my beard. Oh. Every time I seem to do a shower video, the water is cold. Right, here we go. That's lathering nicely on that. Put that there. There we go, and let's apply it. So now, first time making a beard soap, so you want to make sure there's not too much lye in it, so it's not going to sting or anything like that. So let's go. Try to go closer. Lather is good, okay. I want to see how it feels. Happy so far. Taste-wise, I wasn't sure of. It tastes a little bit zingy, which could mean it needs a little bit more time to cure. Right, let's take it off. Oh, bad. Okay, how it feels? You definitely feel like you've got a good clean. I'm happy with that. Okay, let's dry it off. We can turn that off. Let's try it off, see how it feels. So, all good. I do feel that little zingy taste is from the fact that the lye may not have, or the bar may not have cured enough, so I may have to give it a little bit more time. Like I said, we're all experiencing this now for the first time, so I will be making adjustments. So I just want to show you the process I go through when I am testing out a product. So that's that dried. I'll get my comb quickly and I'll comb it out and see how it feels. Okay, yeah, it does feel quite good. It definitely does feel quite good. You know, you don't have to kind of, it's not too wiry, not too dry feeling. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. So, scent, I'm happy with. Lather, I think I can improve a little bit on the lather. It was good, but I do like a frothy lather myself. And the taste, as it went over my mouth, I feel like it needs a little bit more of a cure, so possibly go maybe 30 days, maybe 32 days on that. And also the last thing would be the feel. Feel is very good. Feel is very good. So look, we're almost there. I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board a little bit, adjust a few things, and we'll give it another crack. But like I said, everything has to go through these processes. Every product is tested, and you know, this is all part of it. So I'll get back to the drawing board and I'll keep updated on my next few steps just to kind of improve it, because I want to be the absolute best beard soap out there. So this has to be done. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon.